Is your PC slower than a snail crawling through peanut butter? Don't worry, I have got you covered. In the next 10 minutes, I will show you quick fixes that will actually speed up your computer. No complicated coding, no paid software, just simple tricks that works. Welcome to URTech. My name is Vijay, where I make your PC life easier and help you level up in IT. If you are tired of watching that spinning loading circle, hit that subscribe button because today we will be speeding up your computer like never before. Hello everyone, I am sharing my screen right now, and on the screen I will be showing how you can speed up your PC by doing these few steps. So welcome to my screen. I'll be showing you this by opening up one tool that is called disk cleanup. So I will be typing this disk cleanup. Once we click on this, the tool opens up. Once the tool opens up, you would need to select the drive. So basically it's the C drive. So I'm gonna click on OK. Once you hit the OK, it gives you all these options and it shows you how much space each option is taking. Make sure that you select each and every option. If you see that there are temporary internet files, downloaded program files, the junk files, Windows error reports, these are all the junk files that it collects. So we would need to run this periodically so that our system remains junk free. So here I will be clicking on OK. Once you click on OK, this is what you get. So click on the delete files option. So once it does that, you will get this screen. I'm not going to show you, let it complete. I have already completed this earlier. So I'm going to close this. And then the next option to which I'm going to go, which is called as the startup manager. To click or go to task manager, and then you would need to go to startup apps. Once you go to startup apps, it will show you if it's disabled or enabled. I have made these settings according to my requirement, so I have disabled many apps which would speed up my PC. Say for example, if you have any program that you would not need it, say for example Bing wallpaper, you don't need it, you want to disable it, so you just need to right click on, you would just need to go to the status and right click on it and then hit the disable button. Once you do that, it will disable it. So make sure whatever software that you do not want to run at startup, you can disable them. This is one way. The last and the most effective way of making your PC faster is removing your temporary internet files or all the other files which are temporary. To do that, you would need to press the Windows key and the R key. Once you do that, this window will pop up which will say run at the top. So you would need to type in %temp percentage and hit the OK button. Once you do that, it will show you a bunch of files which you would need to delete all the files. To select all the files, you would need to click on Control and then A. Once you do that, it will select all files and then you would just need to press the delete button. Once you do that, it will show that some of the files are open by some other applications. You can go and skip it. So whatever files it selects, you would just need to delete them. Once you delete them, they go to a folder or an icon that says recycle bin. So once it gets to it, it is not deleted, it goes to recycle bin, and from recycle bin you would need to delete them. So to do that, you would just need to right click on recycle bin and click on empty recycle bin. So there are some files on the recycle bin, so you would just need to click on yes. Once you do that, it will remove all the files. Also, one pro tip is there is a secret weapon. It's called storage sense. So to go to storage sense, you would need to go to settings. So to go to settings, just click on the search button and then type settings. Once you type settings, you will see a settings option. Please click on it. Once you click on it, once you are in the settings options, you can also search for storage. Once you sorry, once you click on storage, it will show you an option that will say turn on storage sense. Click on it. Once you click on it, you would need to turn it on. Right now my storage sense is already on. That is the reason why you are seeing all these activities. In case of you, the storage sense might not be on, so you would just need to click it on. Once you click on the storage sense, it will automatically delete temporary files, all the non-required files, and it will free up the space for you automatically. So friends, these are the ways by which you can speed up your PCs. Please hit the subscribe button and share this video if you would have liked this video. I will be sharing more tips and tricks related to Windows for you so that you will have a peaceful life.